Illinois senators are calling for a special agency in the Department of Health and Senior Services to conduct a public health assessment after decades of flooding, just like this that you're seeing here on your screen, that has really impacted residents in Cahokia Heights. U.S. Senators Dick Durbin and Tammy Duckworth, along with Representative Nikki Budzinski, sent a letter to the DHHS to implement a toxic substance and disease registry. The letter cited a recent report conducted by WashU that found more than 40% of adults in Cahokia Heights were infected with something that causes ulcers and increases the risk for cancer. Lawmakers are urging for things like a community forum to see how the years of flooding impacted the health of nearby residents. Congress